How to use the world's easiest and most effective headline format to turbocharge your business. What's the world's best headline formula guaranteed to instantly increase your sales and grab attention? Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. Before we jump into the content, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to make money every single week. And be sure to hit the like button if you're getting value from these free tips. Did you notice the title for this video? Of course, it's a headline. That's right. And it uses a shop-worn classic format which still continues to amaze with its power. Just two simple words: how to. The simple, lowly how-to headline is easy and effective. You really cannot go wrong with it. The how-to headline is so versatile. You can follow it with several benefits, a question, an offer, almost anything, and it works great. In fact, using the how-to formula is one of the best places to start when writing headlines because it forces you to think of what your product or service actually does for the person. Here are a couple of winning examples to get your juices flowing. How to collect from Social Security at any age. How to get 5 money-making websites in 29 minutes or less without spending a fortune. How to avoid the biggest mistake you can make in building or buying a home. How to cruise the world for $19 a day. How to get enthusiastic applause, even a standing ovation, every time you speak. How to win friends and influence people. How to make your car invisible to radar and laser. How to make your computer as easy to use as your telephone. How to fix cars. Check out the last winning headline on our list, How to Fix Cars. It really can't get any simpler than that, but it works, and it works big time. Now here are a few how-to headlines you can plug in and use right away when brainstorming. How-to formulas. How to get blank. How to have blank. How to keep blank. How to start blank. How to begin blank. How to become blank. How to develop your blank. How to improve your blank. How to get the most out of blank. How to avoid blank. How to end blank. How to get rid of blank. How to conquer blank. How to enjoy blank. Even just adding the word how in front of a headline gives it an additional appeal. Compare these two examples. A strange accident saved me from baldness. And how a strange accident saved me from baldness. Which one is more compelling? Number 2 does the trick. And that one is a winning headline used over and over. Okay, but maybe the tried and true how-to is too boring for you. No problem. Spice it up by adding a little something before the how-to. Here's how-to. Discover how-to. If you think a 12% annual return on your money is good, here's how to set your sights on 100% or more. All new course reveals how to use pop-ups to double your opt-in rate, explode your sales, and squeeze up to 300% more revenue out of each visitor to your website. I'll show you how to hit golf shots as straight as you can point, or this video golfing lesson is free, and I'll pay you $25 for wasting your time. Ohio man discovers the secret of how to escape the American rat race. Or if you still want to change it up a little, just use how to or how I like these winning examples. How I earn my living in 4 hours a day. How you can make well over $300,000 per year as a real estate agent working less than 40 hours a week and have a top income and a life and never have to make a call you dread or waste your time with unrealistic sellers or insincere buyers ever again. For getting the most bang for your buck, how-to headlines are the way to go. Thank you for spending some time with Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.